Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make some watermelon and apple fresh juice. We have watermelon, apple and one lemon for the flavor. Now let's go. Guys, into our blender we have added watermelon and apple without water. You know, watermelon is water, we blend it without water. Now I'll go ahead and blend it. After blending it, I have my sifter here. I'll go ahead and sifter it. After sieving it, this is what we have. We will now squeeze our lemon for the flavor. In a glass with ice, you now pour your watermelon juice. Our watermelon juice is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Ciao.